Hi guys, in this video I'm going to show you how you can use OBS to record screen and audio. So here you can see that I am recording my video in OBS. So how you can record screen and audio. So first, once you open OBS, this is the interface. You simply need to click on this plus sign and click on display capture, and here you need to name your display capture and click on OK. So now you can see that it is visible in sources. So it is my display capture. And how you can add audio, click here and click on audio input capture. So you can select that here and click on OK. And here you can see that my audio is now recording. So this video I am recording now in OBS. So this is a process that you need to follow to use OBS to record screen and audio. I hope you like this video. Make sure you subscribe to our YouTube channel as well. Thank you.